In Channel Chimp, choose File Open and select the Camera Web Chimp file. In the web browser on your phone or tablet, select the Steering Control project. Run Modo. You can double-click the Chimp camera assembly preset file to load it, or alternatively, drag and drop the file onto a viewport in Modo. Let's just hide the default scene camera because we won't need to use that. And now, in the item list, we can see that a Chimp camera assembly has been created. And in the 3D viewport, there is now a camera labeled Chimp Cam. Let's play the timeline for the best feedback. Now, as we rotate the steering wheel and move the throttle slider up or down, we can drive the camera around the scene. By recording these movements using Channel Chimp, we can create walkthroughs and natural camera move animations. Please note that if your device goes to sleep, or if you reboot Channel Chimp, that you'll need to press the refresh button in your web browser to restore communication. Alternatively, we can use other controllers, such as gamepads. For example, open the Camera Xbox One gamepad Chimp file. I'm going to increase the range of the timeline to 240 frames, and press play again. Press the record button in Channel Chimp to start recording, and let's do a couple of takes. Now we can use the left stick of the gamepad for the throttle and the right stick to steer. At the start of a take, I can press the Y button to reset the camera position. Press the record button again to stop recording. We can try playing back different takes until we find the one that we prefer. I like this one, so I will press the Send Keys button to send the animation as keys to Modo. Right-click on the channel list and choose Stop Listeners to tell Modo to stop listening to live input from Channel Chimp and to use the recorded keys instead. When we press play in Modo, we can now see the keyed animation. Let's take this to the next level because we can also layer animations in Channel Chimp. Begin by unchecking the Move group, which disables input for the gamepad channels and ensures that they are not recorded or sent as keys to Modo. Next, expand the Gyro group and click to start the listener for each gyroscope channel. In the web browser on your phone or tablet, select the Gyroscope project. Press play in Modo and record in Channel Chimp. Now we can add handheld type rotations to the existing camera movement animation. Once we're done, stop recording. Set the option to lock Channel Chimp's playback so that Modo's timeline is the master. This will keep the playback of the recorded gyroscope rotations in sync with the existing keyed animations in Modo. In this case, the previous animation we created with the gamepad. When you find the take you prefer, send the keys to Modo and disable all listeners. Press play in Modo to see the finished animation, including movement from the gamepad and the handheld style rotations from the gyroscope. To view the keys in the graph editor, press Shift-K on the keyboard. Or, on relevant layouts, you can also select Show Keys from the Channel Chimp drop-down menu. Using the graph editor, you can further edit the keys however you desire. As you can see, this is a fast and powerful way to create camera animations for your moto scenes. In the next video, we'll explore the ground locking feature of the Chimp camera assembly that lets the camera automatically follow the ground mesh.